I name this ship Brave Pioneer. May God bless her and all who sail on her.
Kauna-unahang methanol dual-fuel Kamsarmax bulk vessel sa buong mundo, ang Brave Pioneer, inulunsad ng Pilipinas. Formal nang inilunsad ang kauna-unahan sa buong mundo na methanol dual-fuel Kamsarmax bulk vessel na pinangalanang Brave Pioneer sa pangunguna mismo ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Sa pinagsamang husay ng Chunishi Group at ng mga manggagawang Pilipino ng Aboitiz Group, tagumpay na nabuo ang isang eco-friendly vessel. Taglay nito ang dual-fuel methanol kung saan malaki ang maitutulong nito sa decarbonization sapagkat malinis ang hangin na inilalabas nito. Bukod dito ay mas mababa ang polusyong dulot nito kumpara sa mga lumang barko.
They are concrete steps towards protecting our environment while continuing to grow the economy.
Samantala, nagbalik-tanaw naman si Aboitiz President and CEO, Mr. Sabin Aboitiz, kung paano nagsimula at umunlad ang shipbuilding industry sa Balamban.
Over 30 years ago, Balamban was this quiet fishing town. So now, we look at Balamban, from 45,000 people to nearly 100,000, from the coastal town to the cornerstone of progress of Western Cebu. A total of 12,000 jobs were created here. Nearly 400 ships have been launched, with more than 380 of them delivered worldwide. And all built by Filipino hands and sailed by Filipinos throughout the world's oceans. This partnership has helped Balamban transform into the country's shipbuilding capital and enabled the Philippines to compete globally. Anchored by THI, the West Cebu Estate has been central to the Philippines' position as the world's fourth largest shipbuilder by gross tonnage.
Para naman kay Marina Administrator Sonia Malaluan, ang Brave Pioneer ay isang malaking hakbang sa mas mausbong na industriya ng paggawa ng barko sa bansa. Inaasahan pa ang mas malaking oportunidad oras na maisabatas ang Shipbuilding and Ship Repair Development Act. Ang Brave Pioneer ay isang patunay na ang gawang Pilipino ay kayang makipagsabayan sa buong mundo. Ako si Levi Miranda para sa Marina DGTV News on Deck.